What are you doing, Ted? Oh, look at you. Wow. What did you just do? Did you just do that? Sorry, I can't even videotape you. Did you just jump up here? What'd you just do? Yeah, you forget that you can do that, don't you? You forget. You forget who you are sometimes, don't you? Uh-oh. Elle? We'll jump down and get her. Come on, down. How about we learn off? Off. Come on. Teddy, off. Teddy, off. Down. Teddy, down. Come on, down. Down. Come on. Come. Down. Good boy. Ellie, be easy.
Major retailers are reporting weaker than expected holiday sales so far. November receipts are
Teddy, leave her alone. Yes? Ted? Teddy.
Also today, though, the Commerce Department says the economy grew at 2.7% annual rate in the third quarter, quite a bit better than the 2% figure initially.
Yeah, well, you jumped up there once. Do it again. Huh? You jumped up there once. Do it again. You're so silly. Who's a precious boy? Huh? Are you the precious boy? Are you? Come on. Look. Wow. Twice? No, 3 times actually. Where are you? I keep losing you. 3 times in a row. You have learned a new trick. I fear I shall get no sleep. Are we done? Or are you going to jump down there and get her? We're done. No more. Long enough. Say bye. Say bye.